Greetings, my friends, and welcome to Silk Screened Princess Pendant, brought to you by tinypandora.com. I'm so happy to bring this to you today, and I've got the silk screens, the little molds, the chain, and the glitter available for you in my store, tinypandora.com. And this video comes with it, so I hope you enjoy it. You're going to start today with a sheet of clay on your thickest setting, some black extruded clay, and your cutters. You'll also need some translucent clay, and I'll show you that in a minute. You also want to have some clear liquid Sculpey, or whatever kind of clear adhesive that you like to use with clay, and some DeepShine to make your glitter finish or your shine finish. So we're going to pop that little square on top and cut with the cutter right on the mold so it's stuck down, and we're going to smooth the edge. We're going to pop it in the oven for 15 minutes. And while it's in the oven, we're going to take our silk screened sheets and get them ready to make the pendants and the beads with them. When the piece is cooled and it's out of the oven, put some liquid Sculpey on, and we'll attach our cut out silk screened medallion. I'm going to poke it down in the center, and I can use it like this, or I can add another layer. If you want to add another layer, you would cut that out, put it on top, and you can add your trim around the edge. So for the next part, we're going to take our black extruded material, and we're going to put it around the bottom edge too. And I'm using a little bit of the Sculpey transparent on that. While that's baking, we can make our beads. So you take a cylinder and you put a pin through it and reduce it down to the size you want your beads, like this. And then all you have to do is wrap it in a sheet of silk screened translucent. They look milky here, but they come out nice and bright. For the back, you can put that inside your medallion by making a little curved hole through it and baking it inside the dome. You do that later. For now, we're going to leave our piece on the dome, and if I want to put some sparkle in it, I'm going to use some DeepShine and some glitter. And there are a couple of the beads there. Now all we've got to do is add our Rhinestone Chain and our gemstone in the middle, and some DeepShine on the whole piece. The way you do your chain is with gem putty. That stuff is moldable UV resin, so it's like a little rubbery stuff. You can make it into a strand and go around the edge of your piece to put your chain on there with. And when you put it in the UV light, it is stuck. That little ball in the center holds a stone, and it creates a little clear bezel. And here's some more that I made. I hope you like it. Thanks for stopping by.